Loire Hardware Company Limited, a professional factory in developing and manufacturing high-quality shower hardware, shower hinges, glass clamps, doorknobs, etc., and glass hardware, glass door hinges, glass door locks, and pull handles, etc. With over 20 years experience. Located in Foshan, Guangdong Province, China. All hardware products are made of high-grade raw materials including brass, stainless steel, and aluminum with various finishes to meet different market requirements. Our factory covered an area of 10,000 square meters, also has advanced equipment, professional technology, and sufficient capacity to support production. Each hardware product has a completed production process. The basic production process contains product design, raw materials cutting, forging, CNC processing, grinding, polishing, 100% inspection at least 3 times, assembly and shipment. In addition to selling hardware products of Loire brand in the market, Loire Hardware Company Limited also provided OEM and ODM services to fulfill personalized customization. You just tell us what you want. We will make your ideas come to reality. We constantly promote ourselves in professional technology and pre-sale and after-sale service system to give higher added value to our customers. Over the years, with the global customer support and our continuous development, shower hinges with various finishes became one of our popular products. Nowadays, Loire Hardware Company Limited has been recognized and praised by many customers all over the world, especially in North America, Europe, and Australia market. With the pursuit of excellence, strict management, and satisfactory service, choosing Loire would be your key to success.